Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Crack Lakshay. If you are preparing for FCAT exam and looking for the right guidance, you are at the right place. In this series, we are going to solve previous year questions from the FCAT exam. So without any delay, let's get started. So the very first question from the topic history and culture is who composed the national song Vande Mataram? So the answer is option B, that is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 2, Begum Hazrat Mahal was associated with the which event? So the answer is option A, that is Revolt of 1857. Question number 3, who was the first Indian Governor General of independent India? So the answer is option B, that is C. Rajagopalchari. Question number 4, in which year was Delhi made the capital of India? So the answer is option B, that is 1911. Question number 5, who wrote the epic Odyssey? So the answer is option B, that is Homer. Question number 6, Harappan civilization was part of which age? So the answer is option A, that is Bronze Age. Question number 7, who is known as the Iron Man of India? So the answer is option B, that is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 8, in which state is the Sun Temple of Konark located? So the answer is option A, that is Odisha. Question number 9, the Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? So the answer is option A, that is 1757. Question number 10, who founded the Indian National Congress? So the answer is option A, that is A.O. Hume. Now the next topic is politics and governance. So the 11th question is, who is the highest law officer of India? So the answer is option C, that is Attorney General of India. Question number 12, which article deals with the amendment of the constitution? So the answer is option B, that is article number 368. Question number 13, the finance commission is appointed after every 5 years, that is option B. Question number 14, which is not a fundamental right? So the answer is option B, that is right to property. Question number 15, which house of parliament is called as upper house? So the answer is option B. And similarly, the lower house is Lok Sabha. Question number 16, the governor of a state is appointed by whom? So the answer is option C, that is president. Question number 17, who presides over the joint sitting of a parliament? So the answer is option C, speaker of a Lok Sabha. Question number 18, in India, inflation is measured by what? So the answer is option B, that is consumer price index. Question number 19, who has the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha? So the answer is option B, that is president. Question number 20, which schedule of Indian constitution contains the union, state and concurrent list? So the answer is option B, that is 7th schedule. Now the next topic is science and environment. So question number 21, what is the outermost layer of the sun called? So the answer is option C, that is corona. Question number 22, uranium 235 is mainly used for what? So the answer is option B, that is finding the age of rocks. Question number 23, which gas does not contribute to the greenhouse effect? So the answer is option A, that is nitrogen. Question number 24, which planet is known as the morning star? So the answer is option B, that is Venus. Question number 25. Which vitamin is produced in the human body when exposed to sunlight? So the answer is option C, that is vitamin D. Question number 26. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Very easy answer. Answer is option A, mercury. Question number 27. What is the SI unit of electric current? So the answer is option C, that is ampere. Question number 28. Which is the largest organ in the human body? So it's option C, that is skin. Question number 29. Which element is needed for the process of photosynthesis? So the answer is option C, that is carbon dioxide. Question number 30. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? So the answer is option B, that is stratosphere. Now, next topic, geography and current affairs. So question number 31. Which is the longest river in India? Oh, very easy. I taught in the last class, that is option A, Ganga. Question number 32. Mount Everest lies in the border of the Nepal and which country? So the answer is option B, that is China. Question number 33. Which is the largest state in India by area? So the answer is option C, that is Rajasthan. Question number 34. Which Indian city is known as the city of lakes? So the answer is option B, that is Udaipur. Question number 35. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? So the answer is option C, that is 9. Comment below what are the states which comes through the line of Tropic of Cancer. So comment below which are the 9 states. Question number 36. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? So the answer is option A, that is river dolphin. Question number 37. Which country will host the 2032 Summer Olympics? So answer is option B, Australia. Question number 38. Who is the current Chief of Defence Staff, that is CDS of India? So the answer is option B, that is Anil Chauhan. Question number 39. Which state launched the green hydrogen policy in 2023? So the answer is option C, that is Rajasthan. Question number 40. Which is the headquarters of International Solar Alliance? So the answer is option B, that is Gurugram. Next topic from defense and miscellaneous. So the question number 41. Who was the first Indian chief to command the Indian Air Force? So the answer is option A, that is Subroto Mukherjee. Question number 42. India's first long range subsonic cruise missile is. So the answer is option B, that is Nirbhaya. Which fighter, question number 43, which fighter aircraft is also known as Tejas? So the answer is option A, that is HAL LCA. Question number 44, INS Vikrant is a option B, aircraft carrier. Question number 45, what is the full form of DRDO? So the answer is option A, that is Defense Research and Development Organization. Question number 46. Which is the highest wartime gallantry award in India? So the answer is option A. And let me tell you, highest peacetime. Peacetime award is Ashok Chakra. And highest civilian award, that is highest civilian award is Bharat Ratna award. Bharat Ratna award is the civilian award. Now next, question number 47. The motto of Indian Air Force is. So the answer is option B. Nabhas Sparsham Depatam. You would think this would be wrong answer, but it's not, because this is the Hindi version of the Indian Air Force motto. And let me tell you, the English version is touch the sky with glory. Next question. Question number 48. Which sport is associated with Davis Cup? So the answer is option B, that is tennis. Question number 49. Headquarter of Indian Coast Guard is. So the answer is option B, that is New Delhi. And the last question, which Indian won the Miss World title in 2017? So the answer is option A, that is Manushi Chillar. Comment down below who was the Miss Universe in 2021. That's it for today's session. Comment below if you want more PYQ related to FCAT exams. All the best for your exam. Jai Hind.